If you're wondering what's actually possible with Claude AI in 2026, let me show you exactly what I built. A fully automated crypto trading bot that runs Ethereum arbitrage around the clock. This isn't theory. This is a real Claude AI trading bot that generates daily passive income. And in this video, I'm breaking down the entire setup. I'm Ryan, and what you're seeing on screen right now are live profit results from my AI trading bot after letting it run non-stop for 22 hours. These aren't back-tested numbers or simulated trades. This is real money, pulled straight from my Claude AI crypto trading bot dashboard. Now, I've spent years experimenting with AI trading bot development and refining crypto arbitrage strategies across different blockchains. But everything changed when I deployed this specific Claude AI trading bot back in February. Since that first deployment, it's been printing consistent passive income every single day without interruption. I don't say this lightly. Building this Claude AI-powered system has been one of the most significant financial breakthroughs I've experienced. Here's what makes this accessible to virtually anyone. Claude AI wrote almost all the underlying code. You don't need to be a Solidity developer. You don't need prior crypto trading experience. You don't need to understand smart contract architecture. If you can follow a step-by-step process, you can deploy this AI trading bot and let it run as a genuine passive income machine. So how does the automation actually work under the hood? My Claude AI trading bot constantly monitors Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges, hunting for microsecond price discrepancies between the same token pairs across different liquidity pools. The moment it detects a price gap, it executes an atomic arbitrage, buying the token at the lower price and instantly selling it at the higher price within a single transaction. The profit gets locked in before the market has time to correct. Zero manual intervention. Fully automated crypto trading, powered entirely by Claude AI. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step and show you the actual results from my own live run. To get started, you'll need a Web3 wallet extension in your browser. Almost any Ethereum-compatible wallet will work just fine. If you're on mobile, you'll need to complete all the steps through your wallet's built-in dApp browser. Next, we'll head over to the online platform to compile and deploy the bot's smart contract. I'll pin all the relevant links in the comment section below. Once the page loads, just create a new file and give it any name you want. Now, copy the bot's smart contract code into the new file we just created. The code is open source, and the link will also be pinned in the comments below. I've added detailed comments directly in the code, so feel free to verify it using any trusted auditing platform. Check the Solidity version at the top of the code. Then, select it in the Compiler tab. Enable Autocompile, and click this button to compile the contract. After that, it's time to deploy it using your wallet. Switch over to the Deploy tab. Choose this option from the Environment selector, then connect your wallet. When you see your wallet address and Ethereum balance appear on the screen, that means everything is connected correctly. Go ahead and hit Deploy, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Just wait for the green success message to appear in the console. Great! That's it! Our trading bot has been successfully deployed to the blockchain. As you can see, the interface is super minimal and simple. Before moving on, click here to make sure everything deployed correctly. We can see the contract owner's address here. Open your wallet and compare it with your own wallet address. Make sure they match exactly. If everything matches, you'll have full, exclusive access to the bot. Now, copy our bot's contract address. We're going to fund the bot so it has enough liquidity to perform arbitrage. The minimum is 1 Ethereum, but I recommend starting with at least 2 Ethereum. With this amount, the bot can run at full capacity. If you go below 1 Ethereum, there's a risk that gas fees will eat into both profits and initial capital. Personally, I've recently been running the bot with 60 Ethereum, generating around 18 Ethereum per day. Looking flawless. The Ethereum is now in our bot's contract. Head back to the compiler, click Start, and confirm the action. Everything is set up. Our bot is now officially live on the blockchain. To make sure the bot is running, you'll see it in the interface. I'll let it operate independently for some time, and then we'll evaluate how it performs. All right, welcome back. It's been 22 hours since we first started the bot. Let's refresh the Etherscan page and check the results. My balance is now above 2.8 Ethereum. Awesome. Over the past 22 hours, I've received 9 transactions from Uniswap. The bot made 0.85 Ethereum in profit for me. This has been a very strong run. It's time to withdraw the initial capital and all profits to the wallet. Just hit this withdraw button, but keep in mind that the bot will stop running at the same time. Wait for the block confirmation, and refresh your wallet to check the balance. Just like that, all the Ethereum was returned to my wallet. Over this 22-hour period, the bot's performance was really impressive. A quick disclaimer before we wrap up. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial professional, and this is not investment, legal, or financial advice. And just like that, every single bit of Ethereum landed back in my wallet. Profit secured in one clean sweep. The performance from this Claude AI trading bot genuinely exceeded what I expected, especially for a system that required almost no manual oversight. Before I wrap this up, I need to be fully transparent. Everything in this video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a licensed professional, and nothing here should be treated as personalized investment advice. Crypto markets carry real risk, so always do your own research before deploying any capital. If this Claude AI trading bot tutorial gave you value, whether you're here for the AI trading strategies, the passive income automation, or just curious about how crypto arbitrage bots work, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I drop new content every week covering AI trading bot builds, DeFi automation, and no-code smart contract strategies that actually make money. Appreciate you sticking around till the end. Catch you in the next one.